For question 26, we look at the statements made by scientist 2. Out here, scientist 2 mentions the entire process from the start of GGPP formation to a new gas giant planet takes only about 1 million years. Also, it has been mentioned that observations indicate that stellar nebulae around newly formed stars do not remain in existence longer than 7 million years after the stars are formed. Hence, we're talking about a short period of time out here, compared to the 100 million year old stars that is provided in the answer. Options C and D are eliminated, since we are talking about gas giant planets that take only about 1 million years, and the stellar nebulae that do not exist longer than 7 million years after the stars are formed. So if you look at options A and B, option A states several 1 million year old stars, none with orbiting gas giant planets. Since we have gas giant planets that take only about 1 million years, there would be definitely few planets that would be formed. Option A is eliminated. Option B states several 1 million year old stars, each with two orbiting gas giant planets. The reason they've mentioned two is because out here in the very first statement, out here, gas giant planets in a stellar nebulae, if gravity variation caused the nebula to suddenly fragment into two or more massive spherical clumps. Since out here, two clumps are formed, at least we would be stating option B to be correct and would provide the strongest support for scientist 2's viewpoint. Hence, option B is the correct answer.